Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect whiskey smash cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a mixing glass, as we have to muddle all the ingredients. And add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves. After mint leaves, add 5 to 6 lemon moon or half an ounce of lemon juice. Now pour 1½ ounces or 45 milliliters of whiskey. Lastly, pour the same amount of simple syrup. Perfect. Now gently muddle all the ingredients to extract juice and flavors from the solid. I hope you are enjoying this refreshing whiskey cocktail recipe. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. I will be happy if you make this refreshing whiskey cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cocktails like this. The whiskey smash cocktail is almost ready, so take an old-fashioned glass of about 10 ounces or 300 milliliters, and add lots of cracked ice. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Now fix a strainer on the mixing glass, and strain the mixture straight into the old-fashioned glass. Awesome! The classic whiskey smash cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a slice of lemon, and a fresh mint sprig. I am adding a little cracked ice on the top of this cocktail, so that it looks good. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.